Hello grade 8s. Today we're going to look at order of operations. I'm not sure if you are familiar with this acronym here called BEDMAS, but it's a nice way to remember the order of which you need to complete a math expression. You always want to start with brackets, followed by exponents, which I actually don't think you'll be dealing with in grade 8. Division and multiplication, these two can actually go together. You can do multiplication before division. It just happens to make a nice little word BEDMAS that they put division first, no other reason than that. And then you have addition and subtraction. Again, the same as multiplication and division. You can do subtracting before addition. Just for the sake of this acronym, they put addition first. So first you do brackets, then exponents, then your division and multiplication, and finally your addition and subtraction. In this case, with the example on the side here, we have a math expression that is written in the form of a fraction. One thing that is important with fractions is to treat the numerator and the denominator of the fraction as if they were each in brackets. And what that means in a little bit easier language is complete the top and find the answer for the top, complete the math expression on the bottom and find the answer for the bottom, and then your final step in this question will be the division of the numerator and the denominator, or the top and the bottom. So let's take a look at this example here on the side. We have 20 divided by negative 2 plus, in brackets, 16 plus negative 4 times negative 5, and 4 minus negative 3 times 2. Now it says to do brackets first. The important brackets here are these ones. They are surrounding a math statement of 16 plus negative 4. The other brackets here are not used for order of operation. The purpose of these brackets is just to tell you that it's a negative 2, a negative 5, a negative 3, and I forgot one here, a negative 4. They're to tell you that it's a negative that goes with the number, not a subtraction symbol. So those brackets actually are not a part of the order of operation. They're just to signify that the negative goes with that integer. So let's take a look at this question. We're going to start with brackets. So that's 16 plus negative 4. So we can leave 20 divided by negative 2 plus 16 plus negative 4 is 12. Times negative 5. And that is all divided by 4 minus negative 3 times 2. Okay, we've complete the brackets portion. There are no exponents, so we can go on to multiplication and division. We have three different multiplication and division statements in this question. We have 20 divided by negative 2, we have 12 times negative 5, and we have negative 3 times 2. So we're going to do those three things right now. 20 divided by negative 2 is negative 10, plus 12 times negative 5 is negative 60, all over 4 minus negative 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. Okay, so now we've done all the multiplication and division. Now all we have left is the adding and subtracting. Negative 10 plus negative 60 is negative 70. All over 4 minus negative 6. When you subtract a negative, it's kind of like adding. So it's 4, you could think of it as 4 plus 6, which is 10. Okay, we've done the adding and the subtracting. Now the final step is to do the division. We have negative 70 divided by 10, and our final answer is negative 7. Let's look at this example together. And look at the order of operations. Remember, we want to do BEDMAS, our brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And it might not be a bad idea on an assignment to write this acronym along the top so you remember what order to do your operations. So let's first figure out what our brackets are needed. There's lots of brackets in this question. Again, a lot of them are just to show you that the negative goes with the integer, like these ones here. So we can ignore those ones. Those aren't the important brackets. The important ones we're looking at are these ones here that are around an order of or an operation in the expression. So we'll do 17 plus -5 first, which is 12. We'll leave the divided by 3 plus -3 minus -7. Again, when you subtract a negative, it's like adding, so -3 plus 7 is 4 times 2 all over 6 times 4 minus 20. Okay, so we've done our brackets now. We don't have any exponents, so now we're looking at the multiplication and the division in this expression. We have 12 divided by 3, which is 4, plus 4 times 2, which is 8. On the bottom we have 6 times 4, which is 24, and then minus 20. Multiplication and division are done. Now we have our adding and subtracting. We have 4 plus 8, which is 12, over 24 minus 20, which is 4. Done. And then we need to do our last step of the division. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And that is the solution to this problem. Hope that helps you grade 8s with order of operations. Good luck with your assignment, and we'll talk to you soon.